Hello everyone, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is May 26, 2025, and we're taking a close look at XAUUSD, gold, analyzing both the news and the charts to make informed trading decisions. Recent headlines suggest that gold is holding below $3,350 as trade war tensions ease, according to FXStreet. However, FXEmpire reports that gold and silver are set to break out amid a weakening US dollar. Let's see how these mixed signals are reflected in the charts. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see XAUUSD has experienced significant volatility this year. Starting in January 2024 around $2,035, gold rallied strongly to reach highs near $2,470 by July 2024. And later $2,700 by October 2024, showing a strong bullish trend initially. It then faced a period of consolidation and pullback, and in early 2025 the market began to rally again, eventually nearing $3,500 by April 2025. The recent pullback from highs of around $3,350 shows a potential reversal, possibly influenced by easing trade war tensions, as reported by FXStreet. However, with concerns about ballooning U.S. deficits and geopolitical risks persisting, as highlighted by Citi, the long-term outlook for gold remains bullish. To get a clearer picture of the short-term trend, let's switch to the one-hour chart. On the hourly chart, we can see more detailed price action over the last few weeks, including potential support and resistance levels. We see price consolidation the past few weeks, a sign of volatility as news continues to come out. Key levels to watch in the short term are the support around $3,275 and resistance near $3,350, as a break beyond these levels could signal the next major move. If the dollar continues to weaken, as predicted by FXEmpire, we could see gold retest $3,350 and potentially push higher. However, if risk-on sentiment returns to the market, as suggested in the CBS News reports about stabilizing economic conditions, gold could face further downward pressure. Keep an eye on these levels and the news flow for clues on the direction of XAUUSD. Finally, the 15-minute chart provides a microview of the recent price action. We can see chop here, with no clear direction recently and high volatility in shorter timeframes. Zooming into this timeframe, we see price has been ranging from $33.40 and $33.60 for about a week. If the dollar continues to weaken, as predicted by FXEmpire, we could see gold retest $3,350 and potentially push higher. However, if risk-on sentiment returns to the market, as suggested in the CBS News reports about stabilizing economic conditions, gold could face further downward pressure. In summary, XAUUSD is currently trading in a volatile environment influenced by trade war news and dollar fluctuations. Key price levels to watch are support around $3,275 and resistance near $3,350. A break below $3,275 could lead to further declines, while a break above $3,350 could trigger a rally. Goldman Sachs' prediction of $3,880 in 2025 remains a long-term target, contingent on ongoing geopolitical and economic uncertainties. That's all for today's analysis. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts and happy trading.